Hello. So this is my first stream. I kind of don't know what to do. Like I'm currently just currently learning Git. Sorry, so not Git. Just currently just learning Go. So I will be just streaming what I will be learning in this session. This is CLS. And so, okay, okay, so, just have a look at this was where I open it to Git directory. Yeah. So as of now, I just like I want to know just, how to generate a random number, how to import a package, and simple. I don't know what this. Okay. So within the same file, how to access a function within the same file. Then this is yes, shorthand function. Like how do I like so okay yeah. So instead of declaring or instead of defining that x should be int, y should be int, and the promise or the return statement should be int. Instead of that, within the shorten function in Go, we can declare it like x and y should be int. The return type should be int. So that's the whole thing. You can read your shit. Uh, yeah, okay, this is it. Like if you are reading this side, yeah, here like you can check out this, which is I x int y int. The return type is int. And you can hear that x and y should be int, and the return type is in int, and many more things. Many more things. Yeah, and I, I, I know that it should be used like this. Yeah, seriously, it should be used like the Git shouldn't be used like this. Like I have to fix the bugs. Well, I kind of I like to use it like this. Yeah, I just told you. By the way, I don't know if I'm streaming or not. Yeah, I kind of. Yeah, I'm streaming. I'm streaming. I'm streaming. 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 Yeah, wait here for the page is open. Stream manager. Is it streaming or not? Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is how like currently, but I just need to open up browser. I like I think so. I like past this point. Type conversion, type inference, I think so. I think. Okay, so what I will be doing that I will be showing all this. Okay, just waiting that. Is it me? Is it even me? Is it even me? Yes. Just have about should So here I'm so while declaring a variable without specifying an explicit type as if we're using a variable. The variable type is inferred to the value of the right side. Okay. Yes. Side inferred. So what it means that within a function, within a function, if you're not declaring variable, yeah. So within a variable, so within a function, when you declare a variable with using var expression or like what's that called? I don't know what that called. I don't know what this symbol is called. Like, C is, I don't know what this symbol is called. But it's colon equal to so this colon equal to greater or whatever. Uh, we will be whatever the value is on our right side will be initialized to this p variable or whatever that variable it is, whatever variable we want to. Let me just here do what will be called as equals to undo, then we just this we paste enough. Shit, my keyboard kind of not working. We just run takes a type of int, then we go around these. Let's go by v. Shit. Z. I think so. And should be this. I think so. You should have see. Value. So, underscore percent v with percent v, and display the value that variable contains. So now just go and next constant. So what's constant? Input. Constant are declared like a variable but with const carry. So it's just like this. I and f float b based a string, just like this. But you can just like without var we can also declare any variables. So yeah, but it's also just like that we use to declare this. Const can be character, string, boolean, or numeric values. Const const cannot be declared with using can be declared using this colon this colon equal to operator. So syntax colon equal to syntax. So keep bearing in mind that we should know. Okay. So okay. So now I just do this, wrap this, and see. So delete it, paste it, delete it. Sure. Password. So here, this hello world. Instead of hello world, it should be hello world in Chinese. I think so. It's Chinese. I think so. I don't know. But yeah. So happy Friday. So whenever we just go and compile this, go run cmd name of code. So just go and grab Shahan or whatever it is. And happy 3.4 Friday. Happy Friday. Goes true. But go truth. Just go and false. I will set it, set it, alert, set it, run it, equals true false. It's basic, but it's basic, but it is good. Now to experiment. Just go and tell it loop, 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 loop. Okay. So just go grab it, paste it. You see, so and I go and build a function. Time pass function. Time pass function. Why not I just build a time pass function for like testing this const, like testing this const. I think so. Okay. So just go create it and go which contains what? So now what should we do? ln. Ln. So do call add function I and 70. 73, the answer should be 73 to 8. So 73, yes. Yes, 73. It is it. So correct it. P, then, oh yes, I think yes. Const cannot be declared using this syntax. Okay, so should be should be not const constants cannot be declared using this syntax. This BTC. So save it and then just run it. It's already paused. And so let me just stage it. Let us go and get status. Status it should be modified. So just go and get committed. What have I done here? What have I done here? Constants. 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 And that's it. That's it. Yeah. So if I go get log, it should be like recenters. This get then tab inference, tab conversion, zero values, basic types. Then could I use GT? Send, send short for alias for get log one line, one line, one line graph different. This is short form for GitLab online graph different. I just use GT. Same output, same this, just two keystrokes. Just two, three. GT enter. This is that's everything, but yeah, I'm streaming for like 20 minutes. Wow. First time seeing this is very good. Numeric constant. So what's our numeric constant? Numeric constant, our constants are highly precision value In untyped constant, take the type needed by its context. Try printing need int big 2. An int can store a maximum of 64-bit integer and sometimes less. This we know we know we all know that int can store up to 64-bit integer. And if it's not 64-bit integer, then it is lower. It is okay. So what's this? Const. Okay, okay. This is a kind of single const. I'm creating two variables, two variables that can be accessed within all this code. It is kind of universal because it is outside the main function. Then project function name int. Okay, so name int returns first multiply x, whatever value, whatever value is passed, multiply by 10, then it goes and add 1. Then need float. So what does it? Scope grabs and float, return type is float 64. Just go and return x, like whatever the value we are passing, multiplied by 0. 0.4, so 0.1, which is 0.1, should be 10, sorry, 1 by 10th, yes, 1 by 10th, it should be 1 by 10th. So let me just go grab this away, away, I have to bring it. Okay, show const, show const, what's the const? Hmm. Big equals to 1 or less than 100. Okay, so 100. Small should be big. Should so big should be 15. So big should be 15. The range of I to what's it? 100. So if my I is 5, so my small should be 15. Sorry, I think so. I don't know. Create a huge number and shift by 1 bit left place and create a huge number of shifting 1 bit left 100 places. In other words, binary number that is 1 followed by 100 zeros. Okay, so this is binary number that is 1 followed by 100 zeros. So it's like this one, so first zero, first zero, second zero, and whatever it goes to like hundreds. And shift it right 99 places. Then shift it right, so like if I got like okay, if I got like 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, to 50 place. Then you have to right shift it. So you have to right shift it. It should be 99 shifts. Shifted 99 shifts. So we ended up with less than or equal to. Okay, let's. I'm wasting. So, okay, 25. Shoot, 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 shoot. 75. Okay, so golden 74. Okay. So this was the so first it prints int, then print int for small, then prints float for small, and then float for big. One of which is blue and for big cannot use big untyped big untyped sorry, okay this cannot use big untyped int constant which goes up to this 1 2 3 4 5 6 has a value in argument 8 it overflows. So the big values overflow. That's that's the basic that's the basic thing that this error is saying. The big is the big the value of big is such massive that it doesn't what should I say like it doesn't fix in the container of integer. So undo it. So this is saying that this is what this is small int, this is small float, this is big float. You can see this it's not 2.0, it's 1/10. It's 1/10 of 21 is 0.2. The most specific 0.121. And then there is this exponential. I kind of like to it goes up to exponential, like exponential, and I think that also deals with imaginary numbers like under root of minus one. That whole minus one thing is under root of minus one into under root of minus one equals to one. Under root of minus one is also known as I. It's not exponential, but maybe it's imaginary number. I think so too. That what is called. So it should have been click add, then it status was the whole thing that whatever I know that I have just modified mean.go to gc. That's why I don't like the interface of commit. I don't like the interface of commit editor within the new Vim editor. I just don't like. I just don't like it. So this is called primary constant. Algebraic constant at highly precise value. Okay, an untapped constant takes the type needed to context. Okay, so this is good. This is good. This should be. So this is good. Okay, GD. This is the moving. CS. SK. Okay, so go next on to the next. What's it called? Wait a minute. I just got an what a message. Sorry. Hello, sorry to bother. I just go message. It's a message. Hello, sorry to bother you. I want to offer promotion for your channel. Reverse chatbot is the price is lower than any competitor. A quality is guaranteed to be the best, flexible and conventional. Well, convenient order management panel, chat panel and everything is in your hand. A huge number of custom and go to Streamrise. Okay. Okay. It was at the start. No, it was not at the start. It was around. So when you first viewer is seriously where where whatever she knows it. I can put it a bit. It's here. That's it. Chat settings, more icons, duration, chat highlights, techniques, chat tools, code ID, about please share my code input chat only. It's my first trip, so I don't know what I should be doing or what I shouldn't be doing. Yeah. Okay. On to the next lesson. Congratulations, you have finished this lesson. You can go back to the list of modules to find what's next. Or continue with the next lesson. What's the module? I'm just continuing to the next lesson. Next lesson, for loops. Who has only one loop construct, the for loop. So it doesn't have while loop, two while loop. I think so. That what you're saying. For loop. Yes. It just got only for loop. It doesn't have while loop or do while loop like other languages like C++, C++, Python. That they got while loop, do while loop, and whatnot. This Go has only have one looping construct, and that is for loop. The basic for loop has three components separated by semicolons. The first statement, the init statement, execute before the first iteration. The second condition, conditional expression, evaluate before the iteration. The post statement, execute at the end of the very iteration. Okay. So what it's saying is that so before running this first iteration, okay, so how for loop works? For loop goes to first. Okay. if go detects that it's a for loop. Second, just go and watch the first statement, that inner statement. So just go and grab that inner statement and what that inner statement got. If it's an empty, then it's called an empty. I think so. I don't know. It's it's similar to C and C++. Similar to C and C++. Within C and C++, C and C++ got what is this this parent, no, not this brackets, this bracket, they got like this bracket. So I don't know. So I know that it's kind of similar. Then second statement is condition statement. In the what condition that for loop should be run. Like where I have to stop this for loop. And then this post statement. One loop is completed, then this third statement is executed. How the iteration works. First, the initial statement, and second, the condition. It checks that the condition matches, so like if condition matches or not. If the condition matches, so it goes to the whatever that whatever line of code or whatever the program in whatever that you have written in the for loop, it executed. Then it goes to third statement, the post statement, and it executes that statement. So I don't know. I tried it. Let's just go and try this. God, so delete it, paste it, and shit. So, so instead of I plus plus, I will be using I plus plus, but not like I plus plus. So it should be function inc increment. What it should have x of int, return should be int, it should be int goes returns I plus I plus 1 set to 6k. Just go it's, what I should do I equals to I should assign I should assign I don't know that this will work or not. Just think so that this should be good. This is 45. It's working, it's working, it's working. It's working. So this was the thing. It's also 45. It's also 45. Sorry. So within go, so within go, you can do okay. We do this. Shit. Okay. So, so just like how like how it is discussed that this is the post statement that executable, they executed at the very end of the for loop. Sorry, at the very end of the iteration. So instead of using I++, I've used a function that replaces I++ with I plus 1. Yeah. It's same, but I'm seeing it's all same, but wait a minute, it's all same, but what I'm doing that I'm explicitly telling a program that you should increase by I to the plus 1. I've built I++ to my needs. That's it. That's the whole thing. This is the whole thing. Okay. So, on to the next chapter. Sorry, I have to read the rest of the things. So, the init statement will often be short variable declaration. Okay. The init statement will often be short variable declaration. The variable declared there are visible only in the scope of for statement. Okay. The loop will stop iterating once the boolean condition evaluates to false. Okay. Note, unlike other languages like C, Java or JavaScript, there are no parentheses. There are no parentheses surrounding the component for of the first statement, and the braces are always required. Okay. At the start, I've said that within C and C++, it's always have this brackets. So in Go, it doesn't. But with curly braces, the code needed it. Yeah, Go needed it. So on to the next chapter. But before next chapter, I should be commenting these changes. Okay. GA, GS, GC, shit. I don't like this. Yes, yes. For look, okay. No, what? This. But parenthesis, strict parenthesis for to frat for look, yes, GT. Okay, what the hell there is? Oh my god. Ah, shit. You so stage. So how do I edit it? How do I edit it? I don't know. Let me just for loop, what's that called? Post statement can class what function condition. Okay, this is the whole thing. My god. For continued, the init and post statement are optional. Infinite loop post statement, like we don't have that functional thing, but for running and for loop, sorry, for stopping and for loop, there should be a conditional statement. So, so it's kind of like without initialization. Sorry, a for loop without sorry initial init statement. Sorry, and init statement and post statement. Sorry, and post statement. So it's for loop without init statement and post statement. Okay, just go grab it, paste it, delete it, paste it, delete, to 1024. Simple, simple, simple as that. So GA, GC for the plot for for the continued, GT for low for continued, for foreign goes while. I'm trying to understand this statement, like for goes while, for loop for goes while. I think so that this is okay. So at that point you can drop the semicolon. C's while loop is C spelled for in go. So wait a minute, wait a minute. I've just forgotten. The fuck yeah. Get get help. I have to what? Grab bisected commerce mouse insert push fetch help aid. Close init add where the hell is commit? Okay. Branch, merge, replace, reset current rep to specific state. Okay. Switch branches, create tags and okay. I don't know how to edit commit message and content. Commit. Go to Google. Yes. Yeah, it is with the num so what was the thing that I changed? What was the thing that I changed? For 20 C's C's or C plus plus C plus while plus GP while okay amend so whatever it is copy just like B shift. And what component okay so kind of know what the hell is this what what is happening I kind of so ASP stop this this what's stopping me from what's stopping me from inserting stopping me from inserting this semicolons was my LSP my LSP was saying that you are only using conditional statement. So why the hell do you need a semicolon when there is not an init statement or post statement? That was my LSP was telling me. So it just go and delete. Like Go compiler is kind like strict. It's strict. It's like if there is anything unused variable, like, and just go and declare um, num two. There goes and let me just go and LSP 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 start and go number declared but not used. So sorry, my LSP stop. Wait, stop. So then we'll go and compile this. Yes. What's the warning? What's the warning? Yes. Num declared but not used. So Rose compiler is massively strict for its is massively strict for its variables. Like it's massively strict for its variables. They're telling me that num is declared but not used. Within the Go program, there shouldn't be anything. There shouldn't be any variable that that should be left unused. Every variable in the Go program has to be used. That's the magic of Go language. Yeah, that's the magic of Go language. So what? Rented, rented, okay. Get this. This is the thing. Okay. Why not as a school and as a as in stop get GAGC but there's that this for loop continued. So GD for container this is forever loop yes like C for the forever loop C++ also for the forever loop every language like there is I kind of know that every language I have used have forever loop. Forever loop is a loop that just loop forever. It's an infinite loop. It's an infinite loop. It's so let's go and grab this, delete it, paste it. So fmtp dot println my name was Kevin. I quit. Go run. Yeah. This is the forever loop. Okay. Yeah, this is the forever loop. I'm not literally this is forever loop. I have to manually I have to manually shut down this program with controls like exit status. Like you just go run it, you will see it and you can guess it. How much strong this C Go compiler is. Like how many times it compiled man? It's in millisecond. It's in millisecond. It's in millisecond. So G A G C for loop what? Where should we forever for loop or infinite question. Okay. So for loop for continue this. As of now, what I've learned for loops and this learn constants. So into the next chapter, if statements. Okay, man. If and else, if else, like if this condition is true, go to this, so execute the following statement, the following line of code, else just go and do whatever you want. So, if then if will short statement, I have to go ifs are like for loops. The expression need to be surrounded by parentheses. Hence, but the braces are required. Should not be surrounded by parentheses, but the braces are required. Okay. So it's like a for loop of Go. So on to the next assignment. This is same of for loop. So if with short statement like for loop, like for statement, the if statement can start with statement can start with short statement to execute before the condition. Okay. The variable declared by the statement are only in scope within the end of if. Try using v in I mean like this may think. So I'm like declaring v before the if statement condition execute. So before the v dot sorry v is less than lim. Is lim is lim limited what should we call lim? Whatever lim if lim so v should be less than lim when that lim is pass on this passed to this function power. Okay, so what it does I can declare b initialize it as well. So v is initialized with math the power of math dot power function x raised to n. So this function like 2 raised to 3 2 raised to 3 is like sorry 3 raised to 2 is like 3 into 3 so like it's 9 3 raised to 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 it is 27. So for this it's 27. Just go and program execute this program execute. So it's 9 came and then ice 9 to the power of 10 sorry sorry 9 so it's less than yes okay so what this function is doing is that if the power if the power is greater than the limited limit so less than limit so it returns the power or then or if the limit is greater sorry if the power is greater than the limit it returns only limit. So in this function sorry in this call of the function power 3 3 3 2 20 3 3 20 so 3 raised to 3 is 27 which is greater than 20 so the return value is 20 so instead of 27 it's 20. So I have to commit I have to delete it this see if statement if it's short statement state GC set the same. Okay, so this thing is short statement. This is hit GC statement statement with statement. Okay, so next if and else. Okay, I think I should end this stream for now. Yeah, I should end this stream.